ETF Mt240. In December 2014, the first LB16180 was launched, and it was considered to be the largest and most load-lifting dump truck in the world. However, in 2018, a new truck, which will be able to break this record, was shown, and now it's being developed at full speed. The novelty was presented by the Slovenian company ETF Mining Equipment. A unique feature of this dump truck is its modular design. Each of the modules can be moved on its own, and together they form a train with a payload of up to 870 tons. For comparison, the payload of the LB16180 dump truck is 450 tons. The ETF Mt240 has other interesting features too. For example, according to the manufacturer, the vehicle will be 25% more fuel efficient, while productivity will increase by 12%. The Mt240 dump truck has a four-wheel drive chassis. Each of the 5 pairs of wheels is controlled individually. This huge car is also powered by several engines at once. Repair and maintenance costs will also be reduced thanks to the design of the manufacturer. The engine, the gearbox, the frame, the suspension, and other elements can be replaced quickly and easily. Liebherr P995. Pontoon excavators are special equipment designed specifically to work at sea. Amphibian excavators like the one you see on the screen are manufactured by the German company Liebherr. Its operating weight Mammoet PTC 200DS. The Dutch company Mammoet specializes in the production of strikingly large lifting equipment. The challenge for its engineers was to develop vehicles that would increase productivity and ensure more efficient handling and load installation tasks. The PTC 200DS ring crane is used where oversized and heavy objects need to be moved and installed in confined spaces. Notable features include a high payload of 5,000 tons, a large boom extension, flexible configuration, relatively fast mobilization, and a compact size. The size of the ring base can be changed to suit the construction size and the tasks at hand. Its diameter can either be 30 meters or 41 meters. As a rule, it takes 3 to 6 weeks to prepare this crane for operation. The weight of the equipment is 6,125 tons. Although such cranes were put into production in 2011, the model is still being improved. For example, in 2018, engineers were able to improve their performance. Now the crane can lift monolithic loads weighing about 2,000 tons, which previously could only be lifted if it was divided into sections. The Liebherr T284. In 2004, Liebherr launched the production of the T282 dump truck. The model was so successful and popular that it was decided to create a new, similar haul truck that would continue its tradition. That's how the Liebherr T284 appeared. It was first shown at the MinExpo 2016. It is the lightest, but at the same time the most powerful member of the heavy-duty mining class. This means that it has a relatively low unladen weight of 600 tons and an outstanding payload of up to 363 tons. Despite the fact that there's a 4,000 horsepower diesel engine inside, the Liebherr 284 features low fuel consumption and meets environmental standards. The manufacturer claims that the machine was designed to save time on the construction site by using fewer trucks. Bertha. The vehicle you see on the screen is the world's largest tunnel boring machine. In 2013, Bertha started working in Seattle and was tasked with drilling a 2.8-kilometer tunnel underground. The drilling began in June 2013 and was expected to be completed in December 2015. However, due to unforeseen malfunctions, there was a 2-year delay. As a result, drilling was completed in April 2017. The vehicle weighs 6,100 tons, has a diameter of 17.5 meters, and is 99 meters long. The principle of its operation is quite simple though. The rotor is equipped with 260 cutters for various purposes. Some of them break into the ground, destroying it. Others move it and dig up boulders, while others scoop up the loosened mass of soil and stones and then direct it into the EPB chamber. From there, the soil is transported on a screw conveyor and then carried away by a belt conveyor. The power of the structure is 25,000 horsepower. Bertha's productivity is impressive as well. It's able to move forward 10 meters per day. It's noteworthy that digging up the land is not the only task that the vehicle performs. Bertha, simultaneously with the excavation works, places concrete blocks of lining on the tunnel walls, each of them being 60 centimeters thick. Thus, Bertha performs a colossal job. Using any other equipment in this case would cost more, and the construction itself would take much more time. The Liebherr LB16180. And here is a compact rotary drilling rig, capable of performing a variety of tasks. It has a lot of advantages. Its applications include Kelly bar drilling, continuous flight auger drilling, and twin rotor drilling. Pay attention to the design. The Liebherr LB16180 has simple, fast, and therefore relatively inexpensive transport needs. If the mast and drilling drive are folded, the rig can be transported using a standard low-frame trailer. When the crane arrives at the construction site, startup time is minimum. If the height of the construction site is limited, the LB16180 can be equipped with a shorter mast. The vehicle weighs 53 tons. The maximum Kelly bar drilling depth is 34.5 meters. Notable features include a sturdy, torsionally stable mast. This means that the unit is designed specifically for heavy construction work.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.